This video will be on how to do a perfect medium rare steak, and this video is in collaboration with My Life as Favor. We're going to be doing a perfect dinner steak for Valentine's Day, so stay tuned. So guys, make sure you heat your pan up enough, then just put some oil and just rub it in on the pan. Add some oil on your meat and just rub it in. You can use your hand to rub your oil on your meat. Do it on both sides. And now we're gonna be doing the marinade. We'll need some white pepper, salt, and black pepper. Make sure you seal your steak with a lot of the marinade we made. Also guys, it's advisable to take out your steak 20 minutes before you start cooking it. Just turn it over and do the same thing. As I said, this was My Life as Favor's idea for us to do a collaboration on a cooking video, and she came up with this perfect steak idea. So yeah, I'm just going to be adding my steak and everything on it. Add some butter. There's no perfect butter, just butter. Whatever butter works for you. Some garlic for flavor. And I'm going to be throwing in some thyme. For the fatty parts, of the meat, make sure you're cooking it on each side and turning it every now and then. Now everything is perfectly done the way I want it. I love my steak medium rare, and this is how it came out. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna leave a link below to my Life as Favors channel in the description box, and please go follow and subscribe to the channel. Bye loves, and see you guys on the next video.